Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, stative verb, is explained in detail with understandable examples. But, if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's start it. A stative verb is a verb that describes a state of being rather than an action. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a stative verb is nothing but just a kind of verb that does not show action but it shows a state of being. In other words, you can say, a stative verb does not express about the ongoing activity because it talks about only a state of something. Basically, there must be a question in your mind that why a stative verb is classified, or, why a stative verb is separated from other types of verbs. So, keeping in separation this verb, the grammarians have many reasons, and one of them is stative verbs do not take progressive tenses. This is one of the main points that stative verbs are not used in progressive tenses, like present continuous, past continuous, etc. This is because stative verbs describe states of being, which are not typically ongoing or progressive events. Just look at these examples. I am knowing the answer. Look at this sentence, the stative verb, know, is used in progressive form. So, this is incorrect because, know, is a stative verb and it is used as a progressive verb. So, therefore, it is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I know the answer. Look at another example. This mobile is belonging to me. Again the stative verb, belong, is used in progressive form. So, as we have said that a stative verb cannot be used in progressive form, so, therefore this sentence is also incorrect. The correct sentence is, this mobile belongs to me. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.